Well, pretty good looking situation over the past 24 hours. We got some nice sunshine yesterday. We saw some 20s, and not a particularly abnormally warm day, but a decent one for February standards, that is. We had very light winds throughout the day. That's some beautiful imagery at sunset here in this. This is Groundhog Day on Tuesday, looking at some of the colors along the horizon, the light rays breaking through the clouds. This is Michelle Eichhorst's picture from Chester Woods Park, just on the east side of Olmsted County, east of Rochester. Beautiful scene there. Good to see the sun yesterday. We managed only temperatures though in the 20s in most spots. 22 was the official high in Rochester. We were steady there the entire day, even with clouds or sun. Temperatures didn't change much throughout our entire Tuesday. Today for Wednesday, big changes ahead. We have warmer air coming in. This morning we're in the teens. We have at least a little starlight trying to break through. Some clouds overhead though for the most part. That's looking now south with our Lewiston auto camera from the studio. It's 19 right now on the weather patio. The winds on the south 7 miles per hour at 8. The current wind chill. Air pressure is steady, 30.16 inches in the barometer. 17 at the airport right now. Dodge Center right now 16. It's 17 degrees in Cresco and 18 in Winona. From here, we'll make our way to the 30s. So a sizable jump in temperatures and slightly above freezing for a while this afternoon as well. But right now, a little starlight trying to peek through those clouds. 17 feels like 4 at the Rochester Airport. 13-mile-per-hour winds. They will be increasing in time. Right now, not much fog. There was a concern for some widespread fog. We had some of that yesterday to start the day, but today visibility only around 3 to 4 miles. That's at its worst right now. Albert Lee and Mesa City, most other spots quite a bit better than that. Future track clouds and some starlight. At times we're going to see more and more of that sunshine headed our way. Breaks in the clouds behind high pressure that's moving away to the southeast, and an upcoming storm system that's going to generate some wind gusts ahead of it and pulling in some warmth. Temperatures today in the 30s, and then later tonight it's tomorrow that wind becomes a big problem because we're talking about a rain event tonight changing to snow, and then falling temperatures and powerful winds causing blowing snow. With all that going on, we have a winter storm watch for Rochester, Austin, big chunk of northeast Iowa, and just about all of the Badger State. North central Iowa, blizzard warning, looking at areas around Mesa City, Clear Lake, Northwood, all looking at the possibility of 45-mile-per-hour gusts from late morning into the afternoon, causing very poor visibility, road condition problems because we're going to have slush that's going to freeze and then have snow blown over it, and poor visibility again with those wind gusts on the strong side. So rain to snow tonight into Thursday. Blizzard conditions through Thursday and Thursday night. This morning, a couple spots of fog, otherwise breaks of sunshine. 17, nothing extremely dense, at least in the way of fog. We'll have clouds and then increasing sunshine through a big stretch of the day. 33, the expected high by around 3 o'clock. Winds at times up to 30 miles per hour. So a breezier afternoon and a breezy night. We dip down to 29 briefly. That's when it will have the onset of that rain. There's a possibility of a spot or two of freezing rain for an hour or two, and then we change to mainly just liquid rain for the overnight hours. Wind chills in the 20s most of the day with a gusty breeze. So temperatures in the 30s, but it won't feel as warm as the 30s. That's how it goes a lot of times this time of the year. Some sunshine. Watching the cloud cover slowly increase again by evening. Future track watching that storm system come in. There's a little bit of rain right along that front, developing right around 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Snow through the night, developing right around sunrise tomorrow, I should say, and snow ending by mid to late afternoon. We'll have some clearing tomorrow night. Arctic high pressure coming in, a raw wind, keeping that wind chill at best around 15 to 20 below zero all day Friday, with high temperatures only just a little bit above zero, and then we'll be there for the weekend as well. So rain tonight. We change to snow around 5 or 6 tomorrow morning, ending around 5 or 6 in the afternoon with, again, 2 to 4 inches of snowfall in most spots eastward, a little more, but around Winona down toward Caledonia, about maybe 5 inches on the east side of the Mississippi, up to 6 inches. For the most part, expect about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall tomorrow, winding down in the mid to late afternoon hours, and then Arctic air comes in. Falling temperatures, tomorrow's high will be 33. That'll be around 6 in the morning. By sunset, for instance, it'd be around 15. So a falling temperature throughout the day tomorrow. And then plummeting temperatures overall for the next several days, single digits to teens at best for highs in the next week, even sub-zero by Sunday. Highs today around 33 in Rochester, 32 in Mason City. Some fog, then gusty winds, partly sunny skies out of the south. Those winds up to 30 miles per hour. 33 the high, 29 degrees tonight. Briefly there, we'll see the temperatures actually climb through the night with rain likely. 7-day forecast, again, a little bit of icy coating with snow on top of that, 2 to 4 inches tomorrow, and blowing snow, and then a very cold weekend. And next week it will feature a very, very slow warming trend, but very cold weather still.
Yeah, the snow we get will not be melting, or those ice sculptures downtown, Ted.
Absolutely. Not melting anytime soon after this.
Thank you.